Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with I Like Hair, same packaging as usual. So let's go ahead and get into it. What we have here is a gorgeous braided wig, which I'm going to get into the details of it in a few. All right, but that's how it looks straight out of the box. I got a branded elastic band. I also got a pair of wig caps, and then I got another headband. All right, that's everything in today's package. Now, the wig that we have for the day is the full lace knotless boho curls braided Invisi drawstring wig, and the wig is a true knotless vibe. As you can see, I went ahead, applied it to my head, and you can see that from the roots are very flat and realistic looking, just as if I would have gone to the salon. All right, so before I actually went in and adjusted the Invisi strap, I focused on pretty much just laying the lace, and I took my melting spray for this, which you're gonna see in a few, but I was just making sure that everything aligned with my hairline and looks realistic. But I was just really stunned by the construction of this wig. They did their big one, like it looks so good. So I took my PS Lux hair melting spray to use as today's, just a bit as for today's adhesive. This is a glueless installation, as you can see.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me.
Once I was done with that, I went ahead and cut away the excess lace. You want to take your time with this so you don't cut into any of the braids.
Higher, oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars.
Then I went ahead and adjusted the Invisi straps. Very straightforward, guys. I just pretty much tug on it, adjust the knob that's there, and then I tuck the excess string beneath the cap. That's it. Very beginner friendly, very straightforward. It's literally not rocket science. It's so easy, guys. So easy.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Afterwards, I pretty much got my face powder to blend just the edge of the lace there, and you can see it's literally disappearing. It was so easy to work with. Very easy. Anybody can give this a shot and it will look amazing after installation.
Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know.
So I went ahead and got glammed, and this is how I'm looking now. This is the wig. Tell me that doesn't look like I went to the salon. Beautiful, just stunning. So just gonna explore a few different hairstyles. So first, I just did a flip over vibe, and that's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. The only thing I would love is that I would have had this wig in like a butt length version, because I do love super long braids, and that would have just been so beautiful. But I love this just the same because the construction is 10 out of 10. I went into my second hairstyle, which I did 2 braids at the front there, and then I pretty much just wrapped them towards the back, which you're gonna see. Every hairstyle I did was very straightforward, very easy to do. You know, when you have braids, you sometimes want variety with hairstyles, so I'm happy I could do this, and each and every one looked so cute. I got my claw clip for that to hold it in place in the back, and that's it. Fun, cute, professional looking. For the third hairstyle, I did a half up, half down. I mean, what is a full lace wig without doing a half up, half down? You guys know my vibe. So I went in, did just that. Again, very cute. Everything looks professional. I cannot get over how scalp like the lace looks. Stunning, man. I like how you did that.
You do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
All right, for the final hairstyle, I pretty much did one braid, like as if I was doing a swoop, and twisted that towards the side and kind of just secured it in the back once I was done. Very easy, very beautiful. But yeah, that's it. That is it. Let me know what you guys think. Like this video, share this video. If you are interested in today's wig, the link will be down below, as well as all the specifications. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.